Hey everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. It's the Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. And listen, we have a really cool feature. I just want to show it to you. It's a dog park. It's right on site, and it's right here. It is big too. Oh my goodness, it's huge. So you've got that cute puppy with you. See, someone there has a really cool puppy that's over there, but you got a cute puppy. You can go use this dog park anytime. Your dog cannot just take care of business, but they can run and frolic. That's a really long space, so they can go use that dog park, really enjoy it, and I love it. Also, keep in mind, not only is this secured with a fence, but the whole property is secured with a fence, so you can feel rather secure, coming out here. In general, I do, at least, that the area is good, and even though it's outside, there's a fence protecting the whole property. So I think it would be a really good feature to have, to use this and have this. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.